Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Shafat Ali Shah and welcome to the world of the physics. Today's our topic is what is physics. According to the definition of the physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of the matter and energy and their interaction. The question is arise, what is science? You know very well, science is the way of the finding and learning about objects. There are two types of objects around us. One is the living things and other is non-living things. Those things change their place, position, condition, state and direction are known as living things. Living things take breath, growth, movement, need food and water also. The human beings, animals, plants, insect, fishes, reptiles is also example of living things. Living things. Those things cannot change their place, position, state, condition and direction without any force or strength is known as non-living things. Inanimate things do not move, grow, and no need food or air. Mountains, clouds, clothes, rocks, bicycles, mobile phones are the best example of non-living things. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.